Hello, my lovers around the world. Hai sobat teman sakti dimanapun berada. As I promised you yesterday, today I'm gonna take you down to Ubud Center to see how's Ubud in the second day of the PPKM. Alright, the emergency public activities restriction, which is started from yesterday on the 3rd of July to the 20th of July. So, it's scary as it sound, ya, seperti yang saya janjikan bahwa pada hari ini saya akan mengajak semuanya ke Ubud untuk melihat keadaan Ubud selama PPKM Darurat. Is Ubud no longer a good place to stay? Well, let's check it out. So today I'm gonna take you down to Ubud Center with my scooter. So sorry if there's some noise because of the wind, ya. Saya akan ajak Anda ke Center of Ubud dengan skuter. Jadi sorry kalau misalnya nanti agak berisik karena angin. But I will put some text down there so you can still understand what I'm saying. Alright, let's go. They're still open because they are allowed to be open as long as not dine in. Oke, jadi kita lihat kan warung itu juga masih buka karena memang masih diperbolehkan gitu kan, selama take away atau delivery ya. Mari kita lihat yang lain. Buka laundry masih buka. Emang laundry boleh buka di restoran. All the restaurant is open. They just cannot serve dine. Toko tetap masih boleh buka ya. So all the grocery stores still open. All the convenience stores still open also. We have a Ubud Market on our right hand side. Ya, ini pasar Ubud sebelah kanan. Ya, jadi pasar Ubud juga buka, memang boleh buka ya. Memang boleh buka sampai jam 8 malam kan masih boleh buka, nih toko-toko buka. Jadi coffee shopnya empty karena mereka nggak boleh dine in, tapi delivery take away boleh. Nah, jadi tertulis guys. Takeaway only.
Like this.
So it's still open. No worries.
Yeah, no worries.
Selamat siang. Ya. Enggak. Berapa itu? Oke. Ini tutup jam berapa?
Tutup jam 8, Pak.
Oh, jam 8 sekarang ya?
Kemarin.
PPKM Darurat.
Iya, Pak.
So close at 8 o'clock. So the store is open like this. Circle K. They close at 8 o'clock. They just close earlier ya. Jadi mereka tutup lebih cepat aja jam 8. Dia masih buka, so you can still do anything, buy anything. Object must to close. Ya monkey forest pasti tutup karena kan masuk kategorinya termasuk objek turis ya. Ada yang pasti tutup. Let's see. You can see the monkey everywhere. Look, monkey everywhere. If monkey everywhere, that means it's closed. Ya kalau monyetnya ada di mana-mana sampai keluar-keluar gitu biasanya tutup. See, it's closed. As I thought. Let's continue. But I have to admit though, I mean the road is kind of empty. Normally even in pandemic it's not this empty. I don't know, maybe people that don't want to go out, maybe because of this uncertain rules of restriction. But all the stores look. All the stores is open. One of favorite place, the milk and madu pizza. I'm gonna go to my laundry now. Mbak. Ini naruh ini aja, naruh ini aja. Gak usah panggil ibu, orang cuma taruh aja kok. Dari Taman Sakti. Berat gak? Bisa ya? Oke, makasih. So, that's it. So, what do you think, guys, about the PPKM Darurat level 3, about the restriction? So, the road kind of empty, very empty. So sad for the stores and everything because they're still open. I don't know why. Maybe because people just go to the store or go to the restaurant and then come back to their house. So that's why the road is empty. Ya katanya jalanan kan sepi ya. Kasian juga sih toko-toko karena jalanan sepi. Tapi mungkin aja sih orang datang beli sesuatu terus balik lagi gitu. Nah kita jalanan sepi. But in my opinion, if less people hanging around on the street, that means hopefully we can decrease the number of case people get infected by virus. Ya, berarti kan kalau misalnya jarang yang hanging di jalan, berarti semoga sukses nih. Ya, penurunan jumlah kasus COVID in Bali. So hopefully, if we can bring down the case to 40 case per day, in August we can opening border for international tourists. And for those who want to stay in my place, let me show you. There you go. Beautiful, huh? With jungle and everything. So we got jungle here, and down there there's a river, like 16 meters below, and beautiful, beautiful garden here with villa. So for you who wanna stay here, just direct message me to my Instagram. Here I mentioned, and don't forget to subscribe. What else? Meantime, stay safe, baby.